What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Chattanooga Mobile Detailing. And today we are getting ready to hit the road again to another car show. Also, the van is down. We had to leave it at the shop to get the radiator done and do some brakes. So we're gonna leave it here so they can take care of that while I'm gone. This thing, we're gonna get it repainted winter time. I started to take some of the stuff off, so when we repaint it, it looks good. I might change the color, I might not change the color, but I already started to see some of the stuff. It's been probably like 2-3 years. It's time for a new paint job. Right here, I already cut other stuff off. We're gonna get it repainted next year. Maybe we got another color, maybe not. But today, we are getting the trailer ready to hit the road. So, come and join us. We have the trucks. They should be picking it up today. It's already done. That one's done. The Audi is gone. They took the Audi. Everything's good with it. Customer's happy, hopefully. So we replaced everything we had to replace, rewrapped some of the panels, so that's done. Car is gone. Now today let's focus on getting these things ready. They will be coming in today, picking it up, taking it to the show. Look at that glass, man. That's massive. So, like I said, let's get ready for the show. Let's go. How the brakes look? Not bad at all.
They're less than half. And then those.
What? Are you gonna replace this, right?
Yeah,
too?
yeah. Where he's ordering everything, I won't get it till tomorrow.
All right.
So I'm gonna put it together so we don't have the rack tie. But he's got a radiator coming.
The radiator's busted,
You're sitting on your side.
so you won't be able to do it. It's no fix.
It's the what is that, side tank? Yeah, those colors should be.
What's going on, guys? And actually the next day, and we are here at the shop picking up the trailer, hooking it up, getting ready to hit the show. So we got the tank filling up, hooking up the trailer to the F-250. We're about to hit the road, baby. What's going on? We actually better stop here at Two Brothers. We're gonna get this monster truck done, and so that way when we get to the show, all we had to do is just give it a quick wipe down and it'll be ready to go. So we're on the way to the show. We made a quick stop in Cleveland. We're gonna get his truck done, and that's it. You know, that way we can gain some time. When he gets down there, all we gotta do is just wipe it down and it'll be ready to roll. So let's go. Truck is complete. Now when they get to the show, I will wipe it down again, make sure everything looks good, and he'll be ready to roll. Let's go, baby. massive wheels. Nice pattern. We just got it done. Now let's go on to the next one. Yo, what's up, man? And we just got done with this monster right here. Shoot, check that out. Look at the shine on this suspension. This thing looks amazing. Let's keep moving, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Check that out. We just got done with the old school Dodge first gen Barbie. Yeah. What's up, guys? We are here getting it done, you know. Go and give her a follow. This is the detailer area. We got all these guys over here getting this truck ready for the show, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, we are here at the show. I don't want to bore you guys with watching, but we are here getting it done. All the detailers, we got more trucks coming. So, hey, I will do a V-roll showing you guys all the trucks here at the show. So, check it out. That's a badass setup right there. A little bit of everything here, man. What's going on, guys? This is Ray from the Chattanooga Mobile Detailing. We spent a lot of time outside working, detailing vehicle, and now we're inside the show. Smoky Mountain 2023. Enjoy the show, baby. Let's go. Let's get it.